Hello children, so we are back here with the online classes conducted by Trinity Convent Higher Secondary School, Children Narayan, and in this chapter we have already done our first part for chapter number 3, class 6 science, fiber to fabric. In the first part we have discussed about what are the different variety of fabrics, and in this module we'll be discussing about what were the different varieties which we have seen. Then specifically we are going to deal with cotton and its production from cotton plant till the fabrics, that is the cloth which we wear, and the history of fiber. So without wasting time, let us discuss or let us recap what we have learned so far. So tell me, what were the plant fibers in all of these: polyester, nylon, wool, silk, cotton and linen? Yes, the plant fiber were linen and cotton. Can you tell me what were the synthetic fibers which was prepared by man-made fibers? Is it silk? Is it wool? Or is it cotton? No, the answer is nylon or polyester. And similarly, the fiber which is obtained from animals is silk and cocoon. After this discussion, we have also seen about the various steps by which we are harvesting jute from jute plant and also from cotton plant. Now in this part we are going to discuss in detail about conversion of cotton from plant to cloth. So this is how happens. Cotton is first harvested. पहले cotton को उगाया जाता है. उगाने के बाद cotton properly bloom करने के बाद जो first step दिख रहा है वैसा हो जाता है. उसके बाद उसकी ginning करते हैं हम. गिनिंग के बाद उसको हम स्पिनिंग फैक्ट्री में ले जाते हैं. स्पिनिंग फैक्ट्री के बाद वीविंग होता है, सिला जाता है, बुना जाता है, एंड फाइनली इट इज कन्वर्टेड इनटू फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट्स. सो लेट अस कम टू नो एंड लेट अस डिस्कस व्हाट इज गिनिंग, व्हाट इज स्पिनिंग, व्हाट इज वीविंग. सो इन दिस मॉड्यूल हम ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि गिनिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, स्पिनिंग फैक्ट्री में क्या होता है, वीविंग क्या होता है, फिनिश्ड प्रोडक्ट क्या होता है. सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पॉइंट. दिस इज द कंप्लीट फ्लो चार्ट व्हिच इज फॉर प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फाइबर फ्रॉम कॉटन. So fiber is initially spinned, that is spinning is done, then it becomes in form of yarn. That yarn is converted by weaving or knitting into fabric. That fabric is finally given for wet processing where it is dyed, color दिया जाता है, and finally it is given as garment manufacturing as finished products. First one is, what is spinning? Now this you would have, by seeing the picture you would have understood that Mahatma Gandhi ji used to make this cotton thread from charkha. So if it is made in home or if it is made in small scale industry, this charkha is used, and nowadays in the large scale industry such kind of complete arrangement is made for the production of spinning. So what is the meaning of spinning? The process of producing yarn from the extracted fiber is called spinning. In this process, the strands of cotton fibers are twisted together to form yarn. The next step involves is our weaving. अब small scale industry में ऐसी specific weaving किया जाता है, और in the large scale industry proper setup is made for a proper design weaving. What does weaving mean? Weaving is the method of textile production in which two distinct sets, दो अलग-अलग set of yarns को हम interlace करते हैं, properly lace करते हैं एक proper pattern में. Then it becomes our cloth. It converts into cloth. Next step for the preparation of cotton is knitting. See, here we are having one design of knitting and here is the second design. So we have a wide variety, thousands of varieties of knitting and converting into cloth, and we prefer of having different textures of what we wear in the cloth. So what is basically knitting? It is the method by which we manipulate to create a textile or fabric. It is used in many types of garments. Knitting may be done by hand or it can also be done by machine. Then we come across our wet processing. Finally, जो cotton cloth बन गया है उसको हम धोते हैं, and धोने के बाद हम उसमें dye भी लगाते हैं. So this is wet processing where we finally wash the clothes before sending it for final product. Now at last comes, how is the history of fabric? So in the early Indians worn fabric made out of cotton that grew in the regions of river of Ganga. क्योंकि कॉटन ग्रो करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा फर्टाइल लैंड चाहिए, इसलिए गंगा के बैंक में जो एरिया था वहाँ पे ये उगाया जाता था. ऑल्सो इन द एंशिएंट इजिप्ट कॉटन एज वेल एज फ्लैक्स वर कल्टिवेटेड नियर द रिवर नाइल एंड वर यूज्ड इन मेकिंग फैब्रिक्स. इन द अर्ली डेज स्टिचिंग वाज नॉट नोन. People simply draped the fabrics around the different parts of their body Many different ways of draping fiber were used. With the invention of sewing needle, people started stitching fabric to make cloths. Stitched cloths have gone through many variations since the invention, but it is not amazing that even today sari, dhoti, lungi or turban is used as an unstitched piece of fiber. So this is how what history says. Initially पहले क्योंकि हमारे पास सिलने के लिए कोई प्रॉपर इक्विपमेंट्स नहीं थे, तो लॉन्ग साड़ी और लॉन्ग धोती was taken as the complete product. Even now it is used as traditional dress of Indians, but now people stitch the clothes according to their need in different designs and patterns and finally wear it. So this is how the history of fabrics tells us. I hope you would have understood the chapter, and here comes to the end of this module. Thank you.